Now that it's loading, it's going to bring you to a login. Create one. It doesn't have to be the same as your back office. That part doesn't matter. But once you get in here, you will be able to see the ALG full site. All right. Now, once you are in here it's loaded. Then we have images and videos. So I like to go here because it's going to take all of this and then just put it in one spot. So click on that for me. And then we have images. You can do carousels with this one, but I'm going to click on videos. Okay. So we have destination, hotels, and thematic videos. These are like just ALG promotions. And then this one here is like the destinations and then the actual resorts. So let's just say we were taking one of those destination tweezers. I'm so funny. Destination tweezers from last night. Let's do the one that we were looking at, which was Cancun. And we're going to go get a video from them and then let's edit it. So destination. I know they have a Cancun video in here. Let's go. We got Dubai, Japan, Florida, Fiji, Australia, Hawaii, convention, Hawaii, Italy. All right, Portugal, Spain. Okay. Next page. France, Germany. We're getting there. Oh, I told you. We got a Cancun video. I know we did. Now they have different types of the videos. These are the sizes. So this is like the Instagram square post. This is a TikTok video. So when you're picking them, make sure you pay attention to that. All right, so when you're here, right, here's the Cancun video. What I want you to do is I'm just going to download it here. Download. You don't even have to really open it because you can see it inside CapCut. While it's downloading, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go into CapCut. Now, if you don't have CapCut, definitely get it. Get it on your phone, get it on your computer, get it on like the desktop itself, because what I'm actually going to be using here is the desktop feature. Now, I will tell you something about these videos. They take a really long time to download, so we're going to have to wait painfully through that. But while that's working, I'm going to go over to CapCut and show you how to set up the actual like background of it before you put the video in. I'm going to switch my screen. Place, window, and oh, there it goes. All right, now CapCut and share. Okay, so this is what my CapCut looks like from the computer. I do have a couple of projects that I'm already building on, so I'm probably going to go into there to start it, but normally you would go to create project, and then from the create project, all right, and this is like the foundation of building a video, right? So you'll add your media in here. You can do audio, your text, your stickers, effects, transitions, captions, all the above. But if you don't pay for it, like I don't, you can't use anything with this little diamond here. So pay attention to what you're putting in there, okay? So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to grab this video. I've already done a few of these. So import the video. There it is, okay? And then I'm also going to go in and I do something that's really cool on CapCut. I do a logo ending in there and it's not saved, so I have to go find it real quick. So there's the logo. You like that, right? And then how I'm going to do this is put this in here. So I'm going to drag it, go in there, and then I'm going to put my logo at the end of it. Now, you see all this music and sounds? Okay, so we're going to turn the music off right here, mute the track. Okay, now it's going to mute both of them. I have yet to find a way to not mute one or the other, but if you find it, then go ahead, okay? I just go ahead and mute both. Now, in this video, I'm muting it for a reason, but you see how it says travel advisors get you there? Okay, that's something that everybody posts. So what I want you to do is come in here, and I want you to cut it off. Okay? Right there, that's why I normally start, is right when the word pops like that. So then it'll play out. Okay, we're going to add some stuff to it. So first I'm going to put in a transition. Now, mind you, no diamonds, right? So we just want to, this is perfect. I'm just going to drop this up. In there. Okay, so I wanted to put it up here, but it won't let me. So you want a transition in here. Any type of transition as long as it's not a diamond, that works. Okay, so captions here. That is just if you have words. I don't, so it's just music, so I'm gonna skip that one. And then we do have some effects, but that's gonna be like, if I put it in there, look, yeah, that works. We could put it right here. Okay, so then it's gonna do like this. Adds a little effect. You can do that. Now, all I'm doing is making edits to this video so it looks like my own video. All right, do we understand? Okay. In here, I like to do this too, like a subscribe. I might as well use this video. What? Did I spell that wrong? What is this? Okay. Subscribe. Perfect. We could put one of these in here. There's no thing in there. Now, I like to put these throughout my video because it keeps their interest. So it looks a little crazy right now, but give me a minute. All right. I'm going to also add another sticker that says like button. Not any of those, but maybe, I feel like these hearts move. Okay. Now, when you put the stickers in there, you got to go to where it's at, drag it over, and then pull that guy down right there. All right. And then let's move the other one here. Like this. Move this guy down. I'm assuming it moves a little bit. Okay. So I'm bringing people to like, subscribe, whatever, as I pull through it. Right? Okay. And then at the end, it has that right here. Still has a stupid thing in it. Hold on. There we go. Hold on. Wait. All right. Now we're there. Now you're going to notice I cut that CapCut out. Anything that says CapCut, you have to cut it out. If you steal from CapCut, not steal, but download for CapCut, you have to cut out the CapCut part, or it's going to basically flag you as you've used CapCut, which isn't always a bad thing, but it can hurt your views. So the last one I want to do is like, see, like if they have a book now, they do, right? Move it here. Oh, whoopsies. Got excited. Bring that guy down here. Now for my logo, like I said, I took this from CapCut. You just type in logo templates, it'll give you one. And then I like to shorten it though, and then it comes in like this. So that's it. Okay. Now you can take music from here and it will work fine on other platforms because CapCut is based off of TikTok, and TikTok has probably one of the hardest music filters possible. So if you go to audio, see right here, and then you just kind of pick a sound. Not that. Goodness, that's some deep stuff. There we go. All right, let's do it. And then watch it one more time so you guys get the idea. Oh, I didn't add it. Well, might help if I add it. Also, you need to cut this. Boom. All right, okay. All right, you guys, that's it. And I do the same thing. So let's just say I'm done with this and now I want to go and use a different video, right? So we would just come in here. Like as soon as I finish this one, I do this over and over when I'm doing my video planning. So I'll get rid of this guy, delete that. And then I actually have some already saved. Let me go grab another one from the last time I did this. Marketing plan. All right, we got Australia. Got Australia in the mix. Go in here. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, obviously change the music, but you just crop it out, get rid of that. We got Australia. All right, great. And then boom. And it doesn't flag it if it has this travel advisors get you there, contacting you today. That's a call to action. Leave it on there. And then boom. Same thing over and over. I make about 7 of these for the entire month, and I circulate them throughout the month. So that is one of my biggest secrets. All right, go take it. Comment below if you like this, if you want to learn more stuff like this, and tell me that you're going to use it. I want to know. Okay, comment below, and I'll see you guys next week on Tuesday at 5 p.m. PST, where we're going to talk about top suppliers. So come back here on Tuesday of next week. Bye.